Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can play Fortnite on PC with PS4 controller, but before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. As all of you know that Fortnite has PS4 and PS5 compatible inside its settings, but whenever you try to connect a PS4 controller with it, nothing will happen. So, in order to connect a PS4 or PS5 controller with it, follow these steps carefully. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for DS4 Windows. After that, open the first website that comes up the result and you will be redirected to this web page. Here you can see it is written that this software is an open source gamepad input manager that allows you to connect PS4 and PS5 controller with Windows. Basically, what this software does is, it will trick your PC or game to think that you have connected any other controller. So, it will direct all of the controls of other controllers to your PS4 controller. Also note that this trick only works for Windows users, obviously. In order to download it, click on the Get Started button and a page full of instructions on how to set up the software will be displayed. Simply download the software from this website and follow these instructions. That's how you can play Fortnite on PC with PS4 controller. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.